What if I can operate at that maximum level? What if I can focus in, be so disciplined every day that no matter if anybody tells me that I cannot be that computer analyst, that I don't care, that every morning that I wake up, I'm focused on my computer analyst. Maintain maximum focus. Anybody drives a car? Raise your hand, please. Awesome. When you get in your car and you look at the odometer, right? You look at the place where it tells you the speed at which your car can go to, right? Some cars say 120, some cars say 140, 160, 180, 220, whatever. I know, right? Word. 220, right? Crazy, I know. I had I-C.A.R.E back in the day, and it had 160 on it. And I was like, man, what if I can go 160 in this? And I went to Penn State University. So I'm on the 80 in Pennsylvania, and I'm just like, my boy's with me. I'm like, man, and don't do this. I know. But I'm like, man, if I can go this speed, that'd be crazy. I want to see what my car can do, right? So I get in my car. I'm like, get in my car. Sit down. Great. Shift. I'm like, cool. I'm on the 80. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. There's nobody in sight. I'm like, great. About to do this. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm about to go 160 in this. I'm about to go to 160. Cool, we take off. Boom, going. 80. That's how quick my act was anyway. 90. 100. I'm funny right now. 120. Woo! 140. Woo! 145. Oh my God. I'm like, yo, this is crazy. I gotta slow down. Oh. Wow, it was crazy. That's how I felt inside the car. That's how I was screaming inside the car. The car was on 145. I was whipping through the trees like crazy. So I thought about that when I thought about maintaining maximum focus. I imagined, what if I operated at 145 miles an hour every single day? Wow! I gotta refuel, right? Put the gas in, put that diesel in, right? Put something in, drink that water. Drink water with your lemon, it helps you out. Many ways, skin, all that good stuff. Anyway. What if I can operate at that maximum level? What if I can focus in, be so disciplined every day that no matter if anybody tells me that I cannot be that computer analyst, that I don't care, that every morning that I wake up, I'm focused on my computer analyst. Every night that I go to sleep, I'm focused on my computer analyst stuff. And I'm so focused maximum. I maintain it every day. By golly, you're going to reach success. Imagine how you feel. Imagine that. And the only reason why I came from up here to down here, because I don't want to scare y'all, but I can stay up here. I can stay up with maximum energy, maximum focus. Imagine if you operate that way, you will reach your level of success much quicker. So, that's just the time I got to keep going. Número 4.
Thank you so much for listening, for watching. Did you enjoy the content? Then click like, click subscribe, and remember, like a tree that grows from a seed, everything that you will be is already inside of you.